Good morning, student. Last two period we discussed about equation in one variable. One example also solved last period. That example, repeat we hear that example by second method. Then that example is, look here, y upon 7 plus y minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 2. Then how to solve the given equation by second method? First method we see last period. Then we see this example how to solve by second method. We know that here 7 and 3, these two numbers are prime numbers. Therefore, we know that the LCM of the given two number is 21. LCM, Lasali. If the LCM of the given two number is 21, then we multiply both sides. By 21. Therefore, we multiply here both terms. Therefore, 21 into y upon 7 plus 21 into y minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 2 into 21. Multiply both sides by 21, then we multiply here in this side 21, but we multiply both terms here. In the left side there are two terms. One term is y upon 7 and second term is y minus 4 upon 3. So we multiply here 21 by both terms, and right side also here 2 into 21. It means we multiply both terms by 21. Then here division takes place 7 into 3. 7 into 3. And 3 into y is 3y. Plus, look here, 3 into 7 is 21. We divide here 3. We divide 21 by 3. Then here division is 7. So 7 under bracket y minus 4. 7 is the multiple of this bracket. Is equal to 21 into 2 is 42. Then here we write here 3y plus 7 into y is 7y. 7 minus 4. Here 7 is the plus term, 4 is the minus term. So plus into minus is minus. Therefore 7 into 4 is 28. Minus 28. 7 into minus 4 is equal to minus 28. Therefore, we multiply here. Here multiplication is minus 28. Then is equal to 42. Then look here. 3y and 7y. These two terms are 3y and 7y, these two terms are similar terms. And here is the minus 28 and 42. These two terms are similar terms. Therefore, we adding here given two terms, 7y plus 3y is 10y. And here is 42 and minus 22. If minus 22 go in this side, therefore here is a plus 28. Plus 28. आणि नेमकं काय करतोय नीट लक्षात घ्या. If we solve the given equation in this way, 3y 7y minus 28 is equal to 42. Then we know that minus term cancel. We adding here minus 20 plus 28. And same process in the right side. Here is also plus 28. But minus 28 plus 28 cancel, but we not write this process or in this step is cancel here. We use here direct method. Direct method means minus 28 goes in this side plus 28. Therefore 10y is equal to 8 plus 2 is 10, carry 1, 3 plus 4 is 70. Therefore 10y is equal to 70. But we know that 10y, 10 and y, in between 10 and y there is a relation, is multiplication relation. Therefore y is equal to 70 upon 10. Y is equal to 70 upon 10. 10 goes in this side, then it is in division. Therefore 10 into 7, so y is equal to 7 is the solution of the given equation. Y is equal to 7 is the solution of the given equation. Therefore we see here how to solve the given example in this method, and this method is simple method. So in first method we see here these two terms, then we add in given two terms, then multiplication. But simply we use here in second method, multiply both sides by LCM, then denominator terms are cancelled here. Denominator terms are 7 and 3. These two terms are cancelled here. Therefore we use here the method, second method, and in this method we solve this example. Then we take the another example in the practice set 12.1. Then write one of the another example. That example is, look here. That example is 9x upon 8 plus 1 is equal to 10. Then look here, given example. So example number 5. In example 9x upon 8. At the first term, look here. First term, at the denominator here is the 8. Then how to cancel the 8? Then same process. If we cancel the denominator term, then multiply both sides by 8. Then we write here multiply both sides by 8. Then multiply here 8 into 9x upon 8 plus 8 into 1 is equal to 10 into 8. Multiply both sides by 8 means we multiply both terms in the left side and right side. Here 8 into 9x upon 8 plus 8 into 1 and 10 into 8. Therefore 8 cancel, division is 1 here. So 1 into 9x is 9x. 8 into 1 is 8. And here multiplication is 80. Multiplication is 80. Then 9x is equal to 80 is minus 8 plus 8 in this side minus. It means opposite process is there. Plus 8, here is the minus 8. So 9x is equal to 72. Then we know that 9 into x relation is multiplication. So we same process, x is equal to 72 upon 9. In multiplication goes in this side division. If in addition, then here is the opposite process is subtraction. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. म्हणजे आम्ही काय करतो हे नीट लक्षात घ्या. एखादी टर्म जर प्लस मध्ये असेल तर तिकडे जात असताना ती मायनस होते. समजा एखादा गुणाकारात असेल तर तो भागाकारात जातो. भागाकारात असेल तर गुणाकारात जातो. म्हणजे त्या क्रिया आम्ही स्वतंत्रपणे जर वेळेस मेथड आपण इथे यूज करत असतो. तर त्याच्यासाठी आम्ही काय करणार आहोत, त्याच्यामध्ये इथे आमच्याकडे प्रोसेस आहे. सो 9 into 8 is 72, so division is 8. Then we know that x is equal to 8, so solution of the given equation is x is equal to 8. Solution of the given equation is x is equal to 8. So write this example in your notebook. So we take one of the another example. That example is right. That example, one of the another example, example number 11, b plus under bracket b plus 1 bracket close plus b plus 2 bracket close upon 4 is equal to 21. Is equal to 21. Then look here, how to solve the given example. We know that in the left side there are 3 terms, but these 3 terms are in addition, and these 3 terms are divided by only 4. It means 4 is the divisor of both terms. 4 is the divisor of both terms. Therefore, how to solve the given example? Very simple. To cancel the denominator term 4. Then how to cancel? If the given terms are in addition and totally the 4 is the divisor of both terms, then we multiply in this way also. So b plus 1 plus b plus 2 is equal to 21 into 4. Or we say here is the 1 and we write here by cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन तिरकस गुणाकार करून आम्ही असा गुणाकार करू शकतो. का करू शकतो? हे सगळेच जण बेरजेत आहेत आणि सगळ्यांना भागाकारात 4 आहे. सगळ्यांना भागाकारात 4 आहे. जर स्वतंत्र वेगळा 4 वगैरे असता तर आम्हाला असा तिरकस गुणाकार करता आला नसता. मग काय होईल इथं? b plus 1 plus b plus 2 is equal to, here is the 84. 21 into 4 is 84. Then we know that here b, here is 1b, here is 1b. It means here is the 3b. Addition of the b is 3b plus 3. 3b plus 3 is equal to 84. So 3b is equal to 84 plus 3 goes in this side minus 3. आता खरं तर ही प्रोसेस कशी आहे हे लक्षात घ्या. आम्हाला माहिती आहे प्लस 3 कडे गेल्यावर मायनस होतो का? हे काय सजीव आहेत काही इकडे जायला. परंतु आम्ही काय करतो, बेरजेत असेल तर वजाबाकीचा समानतेचा गुणधर्म वापरतो. If the term is in addition, then we use the property of subtraction by both sides. But this process is we use here directly. We know that here 3b plus 3 is equal to 84. How to solve? We use here 3b plus 3 minus 3. We use here subtraction property. Equally subtraction. If we subtract here minus 3 in left side, then right side also we subtract here minus 3. असं का करतो आम्ही? हे का करतो तर समान क्रिया केली असता समीकरणामध्ये कुठलाही बदल होत नाही. समीकरणामध्ये बदल होतो का? नाही होत. जर आम्ही समान वजाबाकी केली, समान बेरीज केली तर समीकरणाच्या किमतीवर कुठलाही परिणाम होत नाही. मग आम्ही कॅन्सल करण्यासाठी ही प्रोसेस वापरतो. मायनस 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 प्लस कॅन्सल हियर. मग आम्ही तीच क्रिया आम्ही इथे डायरेक्ट करतो. plus 3 goes in this side minus. Then look here 3b, 84 minus 3 is 81. So b is equal to 81 upon 3. 81 upon 3. भागाला इथं काय येतो बघा, division is 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Here is only remaining here 2 and here is a 1, 21. So 3 into 7 is 21. Therefore 27 is the value of b. It means b is the solution of the given, means 27 is the solution of the given equation. Therefore solution is b is equal to 27. Solution b is equal to 27. Our only solution we write here 27 also. If solution is right here, not write b is equal to 27, only 27 right. It is also correct. Then we use we use this method. This method also we use another method also here. How to solve the given equation by another method? Look here. Very simply. Here multiply both sides by 4. If in the denominator is 4, then multiply both sides by 4, then 4 is cancelled here. Therefore 4 into b plus under bracket b plus 1 plus b plus 2, and total divided by 4 is here. It means we will not multiply here, separate these terms. Only one term is there and we multiply here 4 by first term here, and here is also 21 into 4. Then we know that 4 cancel. So b plus b plus 1 plus b plus 2 is equal to 84. So here is the b, 3b is there, therefore 3b, 1 plus 2 is 3 is equal to 84. So 3b is equal to 84 minus 3, and 3b is equal to 81, and b is equal to 81 upon 3 is 27. Therefore b is equal to 27 is the solution of the given equation. If we write 27 in this equation, then equation is balanced here. Put here 21, 22 and 23 divided by 4 is also division is 21. तुम्ही ठेवून बघू शकता, तुमचं सोल्युशन तिथे तुम्हाला मिळेल. Then we see here another example. Look here. First question is, write down first question. Each equation is followed by the values of the variable decide whether these values are the solution of that equation. of that equation. And we have given one example. That example is x minus 4. X minus 4 is equal to 3, and x is equal to, we have given here, minus 1, 7 and minus 7. Look here, each equation is followed by the values of the variable. It means we have given here values of the variable x, then values of variable is minus 1, plus 7 and minus 7. Decide whether these values are the solution of the given equation or not. If we know that values of the equation or not, how to decide? If we put the value of x is minus 1 in this equation, and if equation is balanced, then we say x is equal to minus 1 is the solution of the given equation. Then how to decide? We know that x is equal to minus 1, then we put here x is equal to minus 1 at the x, we put here minus 1, minus 4 is equal to 3. So minus minus, these two terms are minus terms, then addition is takes place here. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 is equal to 3. It means given two sides are not equal. If minus 5 is not equal to 3, it means these two sides are not balanced here. Therefore, we say here the x is equal to minus 1 is not solution of the given equation. Then we use another value 7. Then x minus 4 is equal to 3. Then we put here 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Here is the plus 7 minus 4, therefore 3 is equal to 3. It means equation is balanced here. Equation is balanced. If the value of the variable put in this equation and equation is balanced, then we say that value is the solution of the given equation. Therefore, 7 is the solution of the equation. X is equal to 7 is the solution of the equation. Then we put here minus 7. We know that here is the equation is x minus 4 is equal to 3. Then we put here x is equal to minus 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. But addition is takes place here. These two terms are similar terms, same sign. Therefore, minus 11 is equal to 3. Minus 11 is equal to 3 is not possible. Therefore, we look here minus 11 is not equal to 3. It means x is equal to minus 7 is not the solution of the given equation. Only x is equal to 7 is the solution of the equation. It means how to decide? We put the value of the variable in this equation. If equation is balanced, then we say the given value is the solution of that equation. Then we see here another example. Write down that example. Minus 3 minus y is equal to 4. 3 minus y is equal to 4. And we have given here values of the y is equal to minus 1 and here is 2. We have given here three values minus 1 and 2. Then decide which value is the solution of the given equation. Then first we take here y is equal to -1 in this equation. So -3 minus, we know that y value is -1. Then we put here y at y -1 is equal to 4. But we know that these two terms are minus terms, and in multiplication minus into minus term is plus here. Minus into minus, then multiplication is plus. Therefore here -1 into -1, therefore 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. It means 4 is equal to 4. It means here two sides are equal. Equation is balanced here. Therefore we say here y is equal to -1 is the solution of the given equation. If equation is balanced here, then we put here y is equal to 1 in this equation and decide whether y is equal to 1 is the solution of the given equation. Then 3 minus y is equal to 4. Then we know that y is equal to 1. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 is equal to 4 is not possible here. 2 is not equal to 4. Therefore equation is not balanced here. Equation is not balanced here. Therefore y is equal to 1 is not the solution of the given equation. And third, y is equal to 2. 3 minus y is equal to 4. We put here y is equal to 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 4. Here is a 1 is equal to 4. 1 is not equal to 4. It means equation is not balanced here. Therefore, y is equal to 2 is not the solution of the given equation. So we complete here the practice set 12.1. In another minute, we see the word problem. Then today we stop here. Okay? We write the given example. Screenshot कर. दिसते की स्पष्ट. काय अडचण नाही. बघू रे कसं झालं व्हिडिओ.